Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a fresh paste so it spreads evenly and works effectively. Cleanse your face and pat it dry. This removes oils that block absorption. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon Besan with 1/2 tsp Haldi, then add 1/2 tsp water or milk until you get a spreadable paste. Once mixed, stir in 1/2 tsp honey or yogurt if your skin is dry, because that adds moisture and prevents over-drying while improving adherence. You should apply a thin, even layer right away so the paste can work without clogging pores. Start at the center of the face and smooth outward, avoiding eyes and lips. This controls sensitivity. Once applied, gently massage in slow circular motions for 1-2 minutes to boost circulation and help exfoliation. Then leave the mask on for 10-15 minutes, enough time for brightening and oil control, but make sure it doesn't crack hard, because that indicates excessive drying. You finish by rinsing gently with lukewarm water, using soft circular motions to remove particles without scrubbing. Once clean, pat your skin dry and apply a light moisturizer. If it's daytime, follow with SPF to protect fresh skin. If you notice redness, burning, or stinging at any point, rinse immediately with cool water and use a cool compress. Make sure to avoid harsh products for 48 hours. If irritation persists, stop use and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.